immediately la hamba le player la afika la late afika la khatha uJobo bathola penalty
yeah
nathi masenzithona ngisiyenza
so asikhulume lesigqoko manje uthi ke manodonsa nina lapha nibona kanjani ukuthi nina antonsani kanjani lapha because of I think amaphepha mila fine
okay all right sure asi
rapping
le tos ngoba yimi ngishilo ukuthi sayilungisa noma evuka you know what happened even manje mina I can tell you even professional by itos bayayipheka so sayipheka itos a friend of mine why we executive Easter tournament so sabridge yena endod asikwazi ukuhlangana nalo what okay sharp kanye nesikhathiyana ngizobuyela kini wayenza amaphepha wasitshela ukuthi hayi mina ke yimi ngenza draw so lalelani ke lamaphepha njengoba ayi4 ayisho ama team ayisele ayi4 so each team ilethe representative iyenza draw uyamthola kuyiwe esigcokweni literally njengoba bathi esigcokweni so amaphepha azofaka lapha esigcokweni ayi4 1 2 3 4 so modonto 1 obviously SABC 1 bathi ashes to ashes hayi mana sithi ashes to uyamthola so makasho lento le ngingamphenduli ngihambe ngiyozicabanga final say kumele iphume kimi ukuthi ngiyasibhala story or no
siya move
it okay hayi ngingamphenduli
mluthi
angimiyeke angivake ngigile amaluthini lo muntu ashes to ashes what yini ashes to ashes is story okay sure all right maybe la we are creating a story sasekhasi so you know what maybe all right let's create this story kuzoba story sinama episode uyamthola maybe all right asiyenze episode yethu uqala
sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani part 1
so manje
njengoba kuno part 1
ngagcina ngisipy story so ukuthi ashes to ashes kuzoba no part 1 part 2 kanjalo and I don't think why in a bigger picture yokuthi why le gama uyena
walisho nje because of story standard
by that time maybe kasithanda kwaba ashes to ashes kanjalo we went extension 2 first Easter tournament hayibo first Easter tournament uyangizwa
ngiyakhumbula
ngiphetha abo Vieira ngiphetha amajito asekhasi hayibo abomgabe
ngiyakhumbula
sayidlala i-first game if ngiremember kahle lapho kuleyo Easter tournament ngabo sawina I think sasithola nje team encane if ngiright ngikhumbula kahle or I might be wrong or the first game yethu umgabe came to me athi kimi hey coach nempintshi zami ngicabanga ukuza nazo angakabi nawo umqondo
wokubhika kulanda amaplayer ngaphandle
umgabe wayedlala kuFarouk Khan